So, ish. I don't know.
I heard my mom was saying about all these.
Your mama, what do you think is saying?
I don't know.
Do you think she has accepted now?
Yeah.
She's like, ooh, Ashley.
She doesn't talk like that.
How does
She's
she
from
talk?
Durban. She talks like me.
Okay, imitate her.
Same. You actually get confused. Like most people, I answer the phone for my mom and I pretend I'm her. And my mom can speak normally and then you'll think it's me talking. When you see her, you're gonna be like, oh my gosh, this looks exactly like Ashley.
So talk like her, like pretending.
Now I'm talking now like how I speak. She speaks exactly like this.
So she doesn't say, ooh, Ashley.
No, she doesn't. She talks the same like me when she's lonely. She said, I'm done.